Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients precisely. Use 2 tablespoons butter and 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour for each cup of stock, a 1-to-1 volume ratio that defines a classic roux. Melt butter over medium heat, about 3 minutes, until it foams but does not brown. Add the flour and stir immediately to form a paste, then reduce heat slightly. This equal parts roux thickens most gravies in 3–5 minutes and gives predictable texture and flavor. After the roux forms, cook it to the color you need. Blonde at 2 minutes for pale gravies, brown at 6 minutes for deeper flavor. Whisk constantly to avoid lumps when adding hot stock. Hot liquid integrates more smoothly than cold. Add stock slowly while whisking to reach smooth texture, starting with a few tablespoons to loosen the paste, then streaming the rest until fully incorporated. Maintain medium-low heat so the mixture simmers gently without burning, and taste as you go. Once combined, simmer gravy 3–5 minutes to fully thicken and cook out raw flour taste, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Season with salt and freshly ground pepper, and consider up to 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce per 2 cups of gravy for depth. Taste and adjust gradually. If the gravy is too thin, simmer to reduce or whisk in a slurry of 1 teaspoon flour plus 1 tablespoon cold water. To thin, whisk in hot stock. Cool. Refrigerate up to 3 days and reheat gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.